Hi, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to practice some stretches to kickstart our day on a higher energy. This flow will help you to feel more energized throughout the day. So let's get started. Once you are ready, sit up straight, keeping spine neutral, legs folded, and then take some gentle, usual breaths. Bring your awareness over your breath. As I say, inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. With the exhale, place your right hand on your right side. With the help of your left hand, stretch your neck on the other side. And repeat the same thing on your right side. This will give you a nice stretch from your neck to your upper body. Repeat it. When you practice from the right, stretch it using left hand, and with the exhale, come back. Inhale on your left side and exhale to the center. Now, as you inhale, bring shoulder close to your ear. With exhale, release. Inhale, exhale. With inhale, bring the uplift on your shoulder and the upper back, and exhale, release out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And practice as many times you want. Now bring your hands on top of your head, interlocked, and support your neck. With inhale, come forward. With exhale, look towards the ceiling. Exhale. Now bring hands in front of your body and stretch it out. Palms outwards and inwards. While doing inwards, support your wrist. This will help you to bear your weight on your palms while we continue the flow. Stretch it on the sideways of your body. Rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now, place your right palm on your right side, and with the help of left hand extended near to your left ear, stretch out and try to keep your left hip on the floor. This will give a great stretch on your left side of the body. Now from the left side, this time left hand on the bottom, right hand goes above the head, and stretch again, keeping the right hip grounded. Repeat. This time try to go a little deeper than the last time and breathe. Other side, inhale and the exhale. Now from here, come on your fours, knees hip width apart, palms shoulder width apart, straight. Find your comfort cushion. And spend some time to warm up your wrist a little bit more. Bring fingers towards you. And if you feel comfortable in this position, then rotate your palm upward and backward. Shift your weight at the back to give a good, nice stretch on your wrists. This will definitely make you feel really great on your wrists. Stretch it out and coordinate with your breath. And once you feel ready, come to the neutral position. With inhale, look up. And with exhale, bring your chin to chest. Inhale, look up. And with exhale, chin to chest, look at your navel if possible. Inhale. And the exhale. And now stretch your left leg back away from your body. Give a nice stretch to your thighs. Stretch it to sideways. First right side and then to your left. Give a nice stretch. Once you feel ready, bend your knee and rotate your leg outwards 3 times. And if your balance allows, inwards 3 times. Do not force yourself at this moment. And with the inhale, bring your left foot in between your palms. We are going to do some lunges over here, low lunge. And spend some time here, and with inhale, if you feel comfortable, bring your hand close to your ear while keeping the spine in its natural curve, and keep breathing at this moment while keeping fingers interlock on top of your head. Or you can do a Namaskar Mudra as well. And with exhale, come down and try to stretch your left foot in front of your body very mindfully without tearing your hamstring. Just a little bit stretch, keeping the left knee soft and cushioned over your mat. Breathe here and gradually put it back in between your palms. And then open your chest onto your left side. Gauge at your fingertips. Come back. And then gradually put your left foot back. Come back to again neutral position, tabletop. And maybe just spend some more time there with cat and cow again. Inhale up. Exhale, look inside. Inhale up, look towards your navel with the exhale. And this time, right foot goes back. Give a nice stretch to your right thigh. And this time, bring the stretch to your left side first and extend the right leg to right side later. Once you feel ready, bend your knee. Rotate clockwise 3 times, and if you feel comfortable, anti-clockwise 3 times. Do not push yourself against your balance. Practice mindfully, and once you feel ready, bring your foot in between your palm. Get into low lunge with the balance. With inhale, bring your hands up. Keep heart open, chest open, and interlock your finger and be there and breathe. Nice gentle breaths over there. And once you feel ready, with exhale, come back. And this time we are going to extend our right foot in front of the body to half split. Do not force yourself for hamstring tears. Just be mindful. Stretch step by step and remember to breathe. Keep breathing. And hold it to 3 breaths and come back to the natural position where we started. And this time, open your chest and twist it towards the right side and open it up. Look up at your fingertips, breathe there for 3 breaths, and once you feel ready, come back. Now again, back to tabletop. Spend some time there and lift your hips up on the air. Look at in between your feet, and this is downward facing dog. Bend your knees for a couple of times to warm up your whole body a little bit more and to give a nice stretch to your downward facing dog. Keep doing it with the breath. And bend your right knee and come back. Now this time left knee bent. Find a balance. Lift up and come back. Relax for 3 breaths. 1, 2, 3. And once you feel ready, come up again back to downward facing dog. This time we're going to practice pigeon here. Bring your right leg up and fold it and sit over your pigeon pose. Use any block or bolster to support your hips if you feel uncomfortable here. And we are going to rest a bit in pigeon pose. Using a pillow will be a great idea too in front of your body for resting your head. Spend as many breaths over here. I'll be spending 5 to 8 breaths over here. And once you feel ready, lift your upper body up and come back to downward facing dog again. And this time left leg up and pigeon to your left side. Ground yourself. Make some adjustments if you need to. And rest in pigeon for 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And a deep exhale. And come back. Keep your chest open while coming back to downward facing dog. And now add some twist in your downward facing dog while holding your right feet with your left hand, and similarly left feet with your right hand. This gives a great balance and strength. Relax in child's pose. Spend some time there. Come up, sit in Vajrasana, and add some twist in your Vajrasana. Lift your outer thigh with the other hand and bring the hand at the back and keep your chest open. Right hand goes back, left hand on top of the thigh. Now this time left hand goes back, right hand on top of the outer thigh. Now lie down for Savasana. We are going to do a Savasana, so prepare your body, make all the adjustments. Stretch your legs outwards away from the mat. Hands are on the side of your body but away from it. Palms are open, fingers are open. Neutral body, relaxed body. Try to feel all the breaths. Breathe and feel all the changes in your body from the flow. Any sensation that has been left on your body. Any slight changes. Any slight pain. Feel them all. Breathe. Try to focus on your breath while you inhale from your nose, goes to your chest to belly, and when you exhale, first from belly, then chest, and comes out of your nose. Take 5 conscious deep breaths. It's a great idea to keep your hand on top of your belly and chest to feel the breath even better. And once you feel ready, bend your leg, turn towards the side with the support of your palm. Sit upright. Keep your eyes still closed. Rub your palms to gather all the energy which you created during this Savasana. Place palm on top of your eyes, face, and the body. And once you feel ready, look in between your palm and gently open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed practicing with me and continue practicing this flow whenever you need in the morning. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, keep practicing. Bye.